Pause with me for a moment. Really pause. Look at what you've shaped. What started as small flows, as experiments and microsystems, it's become something else. The first proof that systems don't just serve you, they can learn you, and you can learn to shape alongside them. This is where adaptable systems begin. The ones that don't just fit, they flex, they move with you, they know you. This is where emergence begins. Look at what's already here for you. Microsystems that finally meet you where you are. Flows that ease all that friction, not fight against it. Supports that shift as you shift. A quiet map forming where your mind and tools have finally started to align. This isn't just work you've done or some free course you've taken. It's evidence of what's been trying to surface through you this whole time. Proof that systems really can work for people like us, but those systems need to know us as much as we know them. Through AI, this is now possible. Take 10 minutes, collect your reflections, your system maps, and your notes. Put them all together in whatever modality you've been using to collect everything. Put them all together in whatever modality you've been using to keep notes. Organize it simply. Review it one more time. What supported me? What shifted for me? Where did friction show up? What patterns keep surfacing? This is your foundation, your proof. The system is already beginning to emerge. Write it down. What you've built so far, what you've noticed beneath it, both about your system and about yourself. Don't force any words. The noticing is enough. That's the next step. This is the shift. You are not testing anymore. You're shaping with awareness now. The system isn't something you force. It's something you're starting to see, to name, and to co-design. You've seen what these small microsystems do. Now we go deeper. We explore what happens when systems don't just fit. They flex, they adapt, they evolve with you. That is where we're heading.